Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today we're checking out a Rock River Arms 5.56. This is a pin and welded 14.5 inch upper. As far as the Cerakote goes, this is my custom showgirl gold. I blended it one time and I had enough left over to do this and maybe one more pistol in the future. But if you check out the Wild West Guns co-pilot I did for the SHOT Show, it's the same color. And basically it's a gold, but it's not, you know, like a in-your-face yellowy or high yellow gold. It's more of a just classic, I don't know, muted, just great looking color in my opinion. Took us 6 colors to blend this, so turned out pretty cool. Of course the upper, the lower, and the fore-rail are done in that color. The barrel is graphite black. This is a POF compensator up front, pin and welded of course. All the furniture is Magpul, as you can see, and it's OD green. So, you know, green and gold, it plays really well together. You can actually see a little better if I turn that light off. The coloration. I think it turned out awesome. All the Magpul goodies, the ACS stock, the Plus K, or the Magpul MOE Plus grip, it's rubberized, some P-mags and whatnot. Go ahead and flip her around real quick. There's the other side. Pretty sweet little setup. Gold and green, you know, two classic colors play very well together. It almost looks black because it's OD. Maybe a foliage would show up a little bit better as green, but it almost looks black. Those are fun. Pretty sweet setup. See the green a little bit better there. How it contrasts. That's good. Anyways, y'all, as always, questions, comments, concerns, leave them. And, you know, I'll answer accordingly. Until next time.